Tenakoto Akutawira. In this video lesson, we are going to be showing you how to use Geogebra, and the link to that was right there on the assignment for your practice automatuai. Clicking on the calculator suite link brings you to the calculator for Geogebra. First thing you're going to do, clicking on the algebra link, and then inputting your points. The first point, open the brackets, -6, 4, and there you will see point A pop up. There's no need to letter them A, B, C. They will go in order you enter them. Second point B, 10, 28. Open the brackets, 10, 28, enter. You might have to do a little click and dragging to make the points visible, but there's point B. And the last point C, 18, -12. First, open the brackets, 18, -12. Okay, so there are our 3 points. And it looks like we're a little bit too far back. Clicking on the negative, the minus brings it back a little bit. And all we're going to want to do now is make a triangle out of those points. You go to the tools, scroll down, basic tools, edit, media, measure, transform, construct lines. We're going to want to put a line segment between A and B, A and C, and B and C. Now, when you click on the tool in that place segment, it says select 2 points or positions. I'm going to choose A, click, and B, click. That's how you put a line segment between the points. I'm going to do the same thing now, clicking on A, clicking on C, clicking on B, clicking on C. Now, you're not going to get any credit for that, but that's required for the next part. So there you go. Now you know how to make the triangle. Next thing we're going to do, one of the skills you need is find the midpoint. So you're going to look around here. Where do we see midpoint? You might have to click on more, line, segment, ray, polygon, circles, transform, others. Nope, might have went too far. We're looking for midpoint. There we go, midpoint or center. Clicking on that, and it says select 2 points. Click on A, click on B, and there it jumps up. That says D. To find out those coordinates, go back to algebra, look for D, there you go. You now know that the midpoint of AB is 2, 16. So there's one of the 2 skills, which is finding the midpoint. Thanks for watching. Maori mahi, Maori ora, ka kite ano.